I ain't saying she a gold digger. She a messing with a fruit. I ain't saying she a gold digger. Yummy. Look at that swift rocking motion.
Macy took too long, so I had to take up for her. Macy takes too long to do everything. Takes too long to wake up. Takes too long to get in there.
Ewy, but it looks grody. Get in there.
Yeah.
I don't care. Take that. Is it still recording?
Yeah. Oh, gross. I'm gonna have to get all sandy.
Hey, what did I do?
I don't know how to get in.
Wait. I went to face first. Macy, it's deep enough.